Kalingap Jomar, happy birthday. Sana next time mag-invite ka para naman nakikain ako sa inyo. Pero okay lang, next year ulit. God bless.
Happy birthday, Jomar Kalingap. I hope to meet you soon and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kalingap Jomar.
Happy birthday!
Ayan, sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo and stay healthy. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hello!
Init lamig kasi.
Jomar.
Galing ka sa
Happy
init.
birthday!
Ako ganyan
Enjoy your
nangyayari.
day.
I mean,
Sana marami pang
non-drowse naman na lang. Alam ko.
Ingat ka palagi. God bless you.
Ano ba nangyari sa akin?
Kalingap Jomar, happy birthday. See you soon. God bless and stay safe.
Hi Kalingap Jomar, binabati kita ng happy birthday. God bless you, enjoy your day palagi.
Kalingap Jomar, happy birthday to you. May God bless you always. At sana ay mas marami ka pang matulungan at talagang maging punong-puno ng blessings ang iyong life because you deserve it. God bless you and see you soon.
Hello po, Kalingap Jomar. Happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays and blessings to come. And God bless you always. Ingat pa natin. Enjoy your day.
Basta, see you soon and nood ka palagi ng Stars on the Coast. God bless you. See you soon.